G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to style my beard, and in my opinion this is the best way to kind of enhance your face into the most alpha, masculine, enhance your jawline and make it look really square. So this is how I do it. I think I first saw this on David Beckham years ago. He used to do it. But I think he naturally has this shape on his face. So basically what you want to do is, if you notice my beard, I haven't really done much to it. I've just trimmed here under my neck and I've trimmed the cheek. I haven't done anything else. But what I noticed with certain celebrities and other people as well, they'll come down here, they'll come down like a line here, and it creates a separation between the hair on the cheek and the hair on the chin. And of course, different people have different face shapes, so it's a lot easier for some people to do that. Their face might be a lot more square and they have those cheekbones and the jaw comes like here, so it's a lot easier. But if you don't, what you can do still is you create this imaginary line there. In here, you're going to come down like that. There's going to be a line there. And it just creates a separation between the mustache, the hair here, and the hair here. Anyway, you'll see what I mean. When I first started shaving, I'd shave right up to my jawline, which makes you look like you have a really skinny face. So you want to leave a bit of hair coming under the jawline, outside of the jawline, and you want to extend this down to here, so it gives the illusion of a wider jawline basically. But you also want to trim it here, so looking at it underneath, it's gonna, let me explain. See how looking at it from the side, you can see that it goes down. But if you can shave these hairs here, it'll look more square. It's very delicate, it's easy to stuff it up. But I'm gonna have a crack. Let me know what you think of the style. Worst case scenario, the hair grows back. So we'll start with underneath. We'll try and get this perfect. So what we're going for underneath is square here and then square it off here. So we're going to try and come up like that. When you look at it from underneath, it might look a little bit like a semicircle. So it can look a bit funny. Okay, we'll see how from the side I've tried to come along like that, but then when you look at it underneath, I've actually had to come in to do that. Bear with me. I've done it a bit there, into there, and in there. I know it looks a bit funny there. I will try and fix it up, but you never see that because you walk like this, you don't walk around like that. So it stays square looking. I could even come up a bit more, but I'll just leave it there just to make a point of the shape that you want. And that'll grow in. I've just recently trimmed it. Okay, next step of this style is you want to cut here and here. This is easy to stuff up, and if I do, don't discount this look. It can still look good. Come probably too much diagonal there. You want to make it more square, but that doesn't look too bad either. Okay, now you can kind of see what I mean. See, I've got the separation. Now the mustache is by itself, the hairs here by themselves, and the hair here is by itself. I always seem to be able to do it better on this side. I think it's just the way the hair grows on my face. We've separated the hairs into 3 sections: cheeks, mustache, and the goatee. Obviously, I could spend a lot more time on it to get it perfectly symmetrical. For the most part, that's not necessary. This is the style. This is good if you've got a skinny face like mine, or if you've got a wide, square jawline. This will enhance your features because, as I said earlier, it comes down onto your neck, not just at the jawline. Anyway guys, let me know what you think of this shaving style. Do you have any favorite beard or shaving styles? Let me know in the comments below. That will be the video for today. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.